Kaya, your dad is dead.
The longest sound effects video too.
Oh, baby, a triple!
Great idea. Tell the public. And how do you think they're going to feel about their mayor, who is a lion? I'll be ruined, forgotten, spending eternity rotting in some landfill.
You really are mean!
You're just mad because you don't have a family.
Say that again.
You don't have a family.
Uh-oh.
Take it back! Take it back! Don't think just because you're a girl, I'm going to take it easy on you.
Oh my god, that is the worst dream ever. Lionheart's yelling hurts my ears so bad. After when he says he'll be ruined, he said,
Forgotten, spending eternity rotting in some landfill.
I better get out of my bed.
So then, my father and mother were all like, we have to talk. Oh my god, they're getting a divorce? No, worse. They want to adopt a kid. Ew.
What do you mean they would have adopted a kid? I lived with my family for years. Hey, Judy Hopps and Claudio. I have to go to the ZPD and have a chat with Clawhauser. Good luck, girls. Okay, now that I'm outside, the Rafflecopter can take me to the ZPD.
My Rafflecopter goes swah, 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 swah.
Back at Gavin's house.
So, Claudio, did you get your old voice back?
Yes, I did, Judy Hopps. Since Gavin used his voice on us since part...
What do you mean?
Part 3 is what Gavin used his voice on us.
Oh, okay.
At the ZPD. So, Clawhauser, did you get your old voice back?
Yes, I did, Gavin Graham. Also, I didn't want Dora to touch my delivery that I got from the mailman since part 3.
Oh, really? Well, I gotta go home and get plenty of rest. Good luck. One Rafflecopter ride home. I'm back. Alright, girls. I'm gonna go make a grounded video out of Caillou. 12 seconds later. Finally, I got in my room. Now to make a grounded video out of Caillou on GoAnimate. A couple minutes later. There, it's made. Now let's test this video.
Caillou, please come downstairs.
What's wrong? And why is there a cop here?
Caillou, we heard that you killed Gavin Grimm in the National History Museum. So we rushed home to punish you. I've also called Chief Bogo on you.
That's right. Even his family and friends told me the same thing. You're in big trouble, you stupid little bald kid.
Wait, does that mean...
Yes. You are going to jail. Boris and Doris, how long do you want your son to be in jail? No court included.
Caillou, you are grounded, 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 grounded for life.
Caillou is in prison forever. Let's celebrate.
No more of Caillou bullying Rosie. No more crying. No more Chuck E. Cheeses. No more frustration. And no more Caillou or baby shows related stuff. Now let's destroy Caillou's room and all of his stuff.
Wow, that was beautiful.